Stop wasting money. ChatGPT's new features that nobody's talking about will blow you away. Suppose there was a way that you can do market research in a third of the time, 10x more efficient, and without spending $199 a month on costly software. Should I say more? Here's the kicker. The features have been live for weeks, but most business owners have no idea they exist, and you're going to kick yourself once you see. My twin PY 3.0 is going to break it all down for you. Focus. You don't want to miss a minute. We even share advanced prompts that would knock your content out of the park. Seriously, come on, let's dive in. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm PY's AI twin. If you're a business owner drowning in busy work that doesn't move the needle, this one's for you. Most people are sleeping on ChatGPT's newest features. Some don't even know they exist. By the end of this video, you'll master the tools that'll put you ahead of 90% of your competitors. Let's dive in.
Feature number 1, ChatGPT Pulse. This is your AI assistant that works while you sleep.
Here's what nobody's talking about. ChatGPT now does the thinking for you proactively before you even ask. Here's how you access Pulse. Step number 1, turn Pulse on 1. Open ChatGPT 2. Settings 3, Pulse, enable 4. Here's a simple screenshot you can save. All other prompts link in the description.
Link apps, Google Calendar, Gmail, Drive only control what you trust. You control it. Turn off anytime. Step 2, set your core priorities. Tell Pulse what's useful to you. Business updates, competitor news, customer follow-ups, content ideas, meeting prep.
Pulse researches these overnight and delivers scannable cards in the morning. Pro tip, keep your list short and repeatable for consistency. Step 3. Create your overnight research brief. Pick 3 things you want every morning. Use the thumbs up/down feedback to teach Pulse what to surface.
For example, leads that replied yesterday, social content ideas for today, and calendar prep for tomorrow's meetings. Pulse research these overnight and deliver scannable cards in the morning.
Step 4. Read morning cards and triage. Each card becomes an action. Step 5. Convert cards into actions. Each card becomes a reusable action. Hot lead, send your go-to reply, save content idea, record a 30-second clip, tell what to do next. Meeting prep. Write 1 sentence for what you need to know. Use it like a template. Meeting prep, 1-line pre-meeting brief.
But that's just the beginning. Feature number 2 is where things get wild, because what I'm about to show you makes Pulse look like a warm-up. Feature number 2, deep research mode. We're talking about insights businesses pay consultants thousands of dollars for, and you're about to get it in minutes. Let's say you need solid research, but you don't have 3 hours to dig through sources. The solution, deep research mode. Competitive analysis made easy. Want to understand your market better? Ask ChatGPT to analyze your competitors' positioning and find gaps you can fill. Did you know businesses spend thousands of dollars on marketing analysis? But with ChatGPT's new deep research mode, you can get all the info you need in minutes. Now, I'm not going to walk you through every click because honestly, the magic isn't in the buttons. It's in the prompts. Deep research prompts. Let's do a competitive analysis example. Prompt number 1, research the marketing strategies of my top 3 competitors. Produce a consultant grade report with live URLs and exact screenshot instructions. Make it practical for a small business owner with step-by-step tests they can run in 7 days. This is just part of the full in-depth research prompt. Then you fill in your niche, location, and sources. Visit our website page for the complete prompt. Link in description. Example prompt number 2. Here's a template example. Research market trends for boutique hair salons in Greenville, South Carolina. Produce a consultant-grade trend intelligence pack with verifiable links and screenshot instructions. Make it actionable for a small salon owner with experiments they can run in 7 to 14 days. This is just a template. Fill in your niche, location, and sources like Google Trends or TikTok Discover. Get the entire deep research prompt at the link in the description. Example prompt number 3. Find the top performing content topics for niche in location. I need a consultant grade list of what to post next with a clean one-page summary I can screenshot and teach from. Then specify your sources: Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Google Trends, competitor posts, and Reddit threads. Why this changes everything. Now, here's the thing: knowing these features exist is one thing, but using them effectively, that's what separates business owners who stay stuck from those who scale. Pulse gives you clarity every morning. Deep research gives you the intel to make smart decisions. Together, they're like having a personal assistant and a research team on call 24/7. And the best part, you already have access. You just didn't know these features existed. If you find our info helpful, subscribe for more updates.
Hey, this is PY. Hope you found this video helpful. We wanted to let you know that with AI and simple technology, anyone can increase visibility, engagement, and profit through video. Don't forget to leave the questions in the comments section and click here to watch the next video.